Fix Sephora app not working. In order to fix Sephora app that isn't working, you could try a couple of these steps. First of all, go to settings on your device, locate network and internet, and make sure to check whether you're connected to a stable internet. Also, make sure to disable any sort of VPN that you're using. So you could simply go ahead and disable it. At the same time, you could also switch between mobile data and cellular data as well. And while you are in the settings section, you also want to make sure to go to the app section. There you can find Sephora and you could go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache and close all the background running app on your device. Hold on to your side button and restart your device. And now then restart your device and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. Despite all this, if the issue still persists on, just go to your app store, tap the search bar and type in Sephora and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. And despite doing this as well, if the issue still persists on, you might want to make sure to log out, reinstall the app, and that should definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.